Today we are going to learn two new vowel sounds. Let's look at the first example. Boy. Let's separate the sounds. The first is a single consonant sound. B. The next is our first new vowel sound. Oi. We will call this the oi sound. The two letters are working together to make a new sound. The oi sound can be spelled one of two ways. The letters O-Y and the letters O-I. Activity. Your turn. First, let's say the words. We will start on the left with words that are spelled with the letters O-Y. Let's say these words. Boy. Toy. Joy. Now on the right side, let's say these words that use the letters O-I. Voice. Join. Now we're going to separate the sounds. Let's start again on the left side. B, oi. T, oi. J, oi. Now on the right side, again remember the E at the end of voice is silent. V, oi. S, J, oi. N. Let's look at our next new vowel sound. Brown. Let's separate the sounds. The first is a single consonant sound. B. The next is a single consonant sound. Er. The next is another new sound. We will call it the ow sound. Ow. The last is a single consonant sound. N. The ow sound can be spelled in the following ways. The letters O-W, the letters O-U. Activity. Your turn. Again, let's say these words. We will start on the left with those words that are spelled with the letters O-W. How. Down. Now let's try the words on the right with the letters O-U. Blouse. House. Now let's separate the sounds. Ow. D. Ow. N. B. L. Ow. S. And remember Remember, the E is silent. Ow. And again, the E is silent. Both the oi and ow sounds are called diphthongs. Diphthong means a vowel that needs two movements of the mouth to make the sound. The long vowel I is also a diphthong. Practice the sounds and words again slowly. Listen to how the diphthong changes sound. Remember, the diphthong is one sound, but you will move your mouth in two ways. Let's start with the oi sounds again. Boy. The next word, voice. The next word, toy. The next word, join. Now let's try the ow sounds again. The first word, brown. The next word, blouse. The next word, how. The last word, house. And don't forget, the long vowel I is also a diphthong. Again, practice these slowly. The first word, tie. The next word, why. The next word, night. And finally, high. Problems with English. Problem number 1. The letters OW and OU are not always pronounced as the ow sound. For example, they can be pronounced as the long vowel O sound, as in the words bow and yellow. The letters OU can be pronounced as the long vowel OO sound, as in the word you. Of course, this leads to our second problem. Once again, we need to remember that English comes from many different languages. This explains why there are so many different ways to spell sounds. In order to spell and pronounce these words, you must know their meanings. Remember, as we have said many times in this video series, English is crazy. So once again, today we have learned 2 new diphthongs. But remember, the long I sound is also a diphthong. Let's try them again, starting with I, tie. And then our 2 new diphthongs, oi, boy, voice. And then our last new sound, ow, brown, house. In today's video, we learned 2 new vowel diphthongs. This now brings our total to 40 sounds. In our next video, we will learn more vowel sounds. Thank you.